Sosyal. Kasamahan ko lang ako nagbabasura. Yun ang wala akong mai-describe dun eh. Oh, yung katabi ko nagbabasura. Nagsosolben. Nyumanyanga. I did not sniff. At least, for purposes of curiosity, I did not. Why? Wala na nga akong makikain eh. Tutuyuin ko pa utak ko. Oh, ibang barkada ko. Nagdala ng 3 kantos. Luminya sa estribo. Inabangan yung stoplight. Diba pag stop, hold up na yung pasahero? Oh, yung iba sa kanila, nasa Hoyo. Nasa Oblo na. Yung iba kasama ni San Pedro. Sana. But I did not. So my point is, totoong mahirap tayo. Totoo. Wala ang question. Huwag na tayo magdrama-drama, high-polluting description on how are we going to describe sectors of our society. ISF, squatter yan. Huwag nyo na pagandahin. Sabi, ano raw yan? Politically incorrect. No! Diyan tayo nagkakamali sa paggugobyerno, sa pagkukubli, sa pagsusugar coating. Because of those things in our minds. So that it will be morally accepted. Yun, mali rin ang pag-approach. Bakit? May denial agad eh. May pagkukubli agad eh. And I think your professor, which I agree, graduate kayo eh. No? Your professor will agree with me, in problem solving, you have to accept that there is a problem. How can you give solution if you don't know the problem? Tama, basic naman yata yung sinabi ko. Pero, mga kababayan, hindi ako namerwisyo ng kapwa ko pobre. Hindi ako namerwisyo ng kapitbahay ko. O, ito ako, awa ng Diyos. Kaya, wag natin hahayaan napasukin at lasunin ang ating kaisipan on how we understand society or demography of our society. No, we really have to discern. We really have to distinguish. We really have to figure out before we say things or do things in their favor. In governance, personally, I will share it to you.